This is Kananaskis country. It's a park system in the foothills of the Canadian Rockies. It covers about 4,000 square kilometers, which is about 1,550 square miles. Knife-edged limestone ridges and jagged summits that cradle glaciers and sapphire blue alpine lakes. This is Watchridge Lake in Kananaskis. It's not that deep, but Kananaskis Lake is 354 feet. The deepest lake in Alberta, which is the province where Kananaskis is located, is Lake Athabasca, with a maximum depth of 410 feet. All of this water here, right here, this water too, and this, all come from a small hole in this mountain. Kananaskis, Canada.